Hello everyone, so I am back with this new AI agent which I have created to automate my online store orders booking. And you can see I have created this amazing AI agent just with the help of this knowledge base and the subscription of Pabbly Chatflow. So without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this AI agent will work. And to test this AI agent, we have to go on my WhatsApp account, and here I will just enter this particular message, hello, I need help. After that, this particular AI agent will get triggered instantly and it will reply me with a welcome message. So here you can see it has sent me this message, hi there, I am here to help, what do you need assistance with today? So now I will interact with this particular AI agent as a customer who has bought from this particular store. So you can see inside my knowledge base I have added some questions. So when I will ask this AI agent this same questions inside my WhatsApp chat, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me instantly with the same text that I have added just below this particular question. So I have sent a question here, and as soon as I have sent this question, I want to return an item, this WhatsApp AI agent has instantly sent me this message that I have added just below this particular question inside this knowledge base. So you can see I will ask one more question, and after that you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will again answer me with this particular text that I have added just below this question, and here it has answered me with this particular response. So you can see whatever question that I will ask from my AI agent, it will automatically reply me with the help of this knowledge base. So you just saw how easily it is for me to interact with this particular AI agent and ask this AI agent any of my queries. And now if you also want to create this AI agent for yourself, then stay with me for the next few minutes. And to start creating this amazing AI agent, we just have to go on a new tab, and there we have to enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. So I will enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and after pressing this enter button, I will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here on the right corner you can see we have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots and AI agents. And as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button. But before that, let me share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, I will click on this sign in button inside this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and this will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button, and after that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp connect method or manual to connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check the description box of this video. We have added separate videos for each of these following features. And after adding your number, to start creating an AI assistant for yourself, you have to click on this AI assistant feature given on the left side here, and after that you can see these are all the AI assistants that I have created for myself. Now before starting to create an AI assistant for myself, first of all you can see this is the exact same AI assistant that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So at first I will deactivate this particular AI assistant from here, but before deactivating this I have to go on my inbox, and then I have to deactivate this particular AI agent from this particular chat. So I will turn off this AI agent, and then I will select the status at open. And after clicking on the save button, I will go back on my AI assistant, and inside this particular AI assistant page, I will deactivate this particular AI assistant from here. And then I have to click on this add AI assistant button given on the top right corner here to start creating an AI assistant for myself. But before that, I will give a name to my AI assistant. as this new WhatsApp AI for online store order management, and then I have to press on this add AI assistant button. After that, inside this particular window, I have to work on these 4 following sections: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last on this styling to successfully complete the creation of my AI assistant. So first of all, let us work on this AI instructions. So inside this instruction type drop down, I will click on this and I will select this particular instruction type AI agent, because I want to create an AI agent for myself. And then inside this instructions box, you can see the role and this constraints of this AI agent has already been entered. So if you also want to enter anything else inside this particular box, then you can type it down manually. And these particular instructions guide your AI assistant that how it should respond to users, and it should include the key information like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. And just below this, for this AI configurations temperature, you can see the 0.5 has been set automatically, and this temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So that's why to maintain balance, this 0.5 has been set automatically. And if you want to increase or decrease this, then you can do that by clicking on this button given here. And for the select AI to use drop down, I will select this open AI, and for this model I will select this GPT-4 Omni. And then for this API key, so to get this API key, you have to click on this hyperlink given here, and then you have to log into your OpenAI account. And you can see as I have already logged into my account, so I have to click on this create new secret key button, and then I will give a name to my key as this. Then after that, I will click on this enter button, and here you can see our API key is generated successfully. Now I will copy this API key from here and I will paste it inside this particular box like this, and then press this connect button, and here our OpenAI key is saved successfully. Now you can see for this AI assistant settings, we have got these 5 different buttons. So if you want to use any one of them, then you just have to turn this button on from here, and then you can use this. So for this header message, if I want to use this, then I just have to enter the text inside this particular message, then I can use this header message. But I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And the same goes for this footer message, and you can see this is stop keyword, so I will turn it on from here, and then inside this stop keyword I will enter this keyword stop, and then press this enter button, and here this stop keyword has been added successfully. And whenever your customer will enter this particular stop keyword, then this AI assistant will stop replying to them. After that, you can see as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And for this retry attempt, inside this particular retry attempt box, you can enter the number in range of 1 to 10 as retry attempts for your customer. And you can see this fallback message. This fallback message will get delivered to your customer when your AI assistant API is not responding correctly. And with this, I have completed this particular section, AI instructions. And now we will move towards this knowledge source. So you can see inside this knowledge source, we have to upload a file, and that file must be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. So you can see inside my Google Docs, I have already created this knowledge base for myself, and inside this knowledge base I have added all the minute details about my business. So I will just download this knowledge base from here, and I will select this particular format .txt, and after that I will click on this save button, and here you can see our knowledge base is downloaded successfully. So now I will go back on my Pabbly Chatflow account, and then from this downloads I will drag in this knowledge base and I will drop it in here, and here our knowledge base has been also uploaded successfully. So now we will move towards this assistant's interface, and inside this display heading name, you can enter the name of your brand. So I will enter the name of my brand like this, and you can see this is how the name of your brand will look, and this is the display subheading name, and this is how your display subheading name will look to you. And you can also change the subheading by typing down any other text manually. And inside this initial message, this one message has been already added. So to add one more message, you have to type down the particular keyword and then press this enter button, and here this another message has been also added successfully. And we can add only 2 initial messages inside this particular box. This powered by Pabbly, you can enable or disable this particular powered by Pabbly by selecting it from this particular drop down. And this privacy policy, this is actually a hyperlink which you can create by typing down the text inside this particular box and pasting the link inside this box. And for this user first message, this I need help is written, so as I do not want to change this, so I will let it remain as it is. And then we will move towards our last section. This is styling, and inside this particular section I can change the style of my AI assistant. Like I can select the theme of my AI assistant as light or dark, or I can select the shape of my assistant as circle, square or rounded square, or I can also change the assistant's background color or any of the other things if I want to, but for now I will let them remain as it is. And as I have successfully completed the creation of this AI assistant, so I will turn this AI assistant on from here, and then I will click on this save AI assistant button. And here our AI assistant is saved successfully. Now if you want to use this AI assistant from your website, then you just have to click on this embed button, and after that you have to copy this script from here and paste it inside your website. Then this particular AI assistant will work from your website. And after that you can see as I have completed the creation of my AI assistant, so now I just have to enable this particular AI assistant for any particular chat. So for that we will go on my inbox, and then inside this particular chat I will click on this choose AI assistant button, and then from this drop down I will select this particular AI assistant which I have created just now, and then I will click on this save button, and here this AI assistant is enabled successfully for this particular chat. And if you want to enable this AI assistant for bulk of your contacts, then for that you just have to go on this settings, and from here you have to click on this inbox settings. And inside this inbox settings you have to scroll down to the bottom, and then you have to click on this button enable AI auto replies. After that from this contact list drop down you have to select that particular contact list for which you want to enable this particular AI assistant. And if you want to enable this AI assistant for all of your contacts, then you have to select this all contacts at once, and then from the second drop down you have to select the particular AI assistant which you want to enable for any of your particular contact list. So I will select this particular AI assistant, and then I will click on this save button. After that this AI assistant will work for all of my contacts. And now we will open my WhatsApp account, and there we will check if this AI assistant is working properly. And inside here when I will send this particular keyword, you will see that this WhatsApp AI assistant will again reply me with this welcome message, hi again, I am here to assist you, what do you need help with today. So I will again ask some question from this AI assistant from this knowledge base. So you can see this time I will ask this particular question, how can I cancel my order. And when I will copy and paste this particular question inside my WhatsApp chat, you will see that this WhatsApp AI assistant will reply me instantly with the exact same text that I have entered just below this particular question inside my knowledge base. So you can see here it has sent me this particular reply, and it is the exact same reply that I have added just below this particular question. So I will ask one more last question inside this particular chat, and then you will see that this WhatsApp AI assistant will again reply me with the exact same text. And here I have got reply for this particular question also. This means that my WhatsApp AI agent is working all fine. So this is how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp AI assistant to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit this particular website. So now what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account with Pabbly Chatflow.